Ite.
Fie prosef Christa asite.
Irini pasi.
Oh, Master Lord Jesus Christ, our God, who sent with saintly honored disciples and holy apostles, many prophets and righteous men have desired to see the things which you see and have not seen them, and to hear the things which you hear and have not heard them. But blessed are your eyes, for they see, and your ears, for they hear. May we be worthy to hear and to act according to your holy gospels, through the prayers of your saints.
Pray for the holy gospel.
Remember also our Master, all those who have bidden us to remember them in our supplications and prayers which offer up unto you, O Lord our God. Those who have already fallen asleep, repose them. Those who are sick, heal them. For you are the life of us all, the salvation of us all, the healing of us all, the hope of us all, and the resurrection of us all.
Salmos to David, alleluia.
Oh
såg beba voisos. Ay ana eripsaline robbenoti alleluia. Shoiza yoshobik soti meroi. Maisike dizmien dibatio.
امجنطاس مار الصوت نمبكم صنجة طايب روس بشيم بريت نوستاينا في
ابتم في بشوين ديناجي يوشوشوشين تيانا روحي بيان ليلويا مارو تشاس فنت إكليسيا اند بفلاوس
مارو اسمه إيروبي كاتدرا تنبرز بيترو
جاف كونو متيوت إمبريت نانيسو if in oven deniet so don't know if on of جنسوك بيفو بشايني قطع التكسيس من شي صدق نمبن يودن ابسكوموس افابيت نمبن يودن متروبوليتيس افاسيرابيون نمبن يودن ابسكوموس افابيت نمبن يودن ابسكوموس نيتكينيمن شويزف اري ابتنون
Stasitem et avovo theo acosomen to agio
Pshoj sinteni gom kirja flogisone tokata lokan ageio evangelio tuana nosma.
بمخافة الله لنسمع الانجيل المقدس من فم أبينا المكرم البار المثلث الطوبى أبينا الأسقف الأنبا بيتر أسقف المدن المحبة للمسيح ساوث كارولاينا ونورث كارولاينا وكنتاكي إله السماء يثبت على كرسي سنين عدة وأزمنة سلمية مديدة ويعطي زمانا هادئا بهيجا ويعطينا نعمة ورحمة بصلوات وطالبا آتي الانجيل المقدس. فصل من انجيل معلمنا مالوقا البشير. التلميذ الطاهر بركاته
and hear it from the mouth of our honored Father, Bishop Peter, the Bishop of North Carolina, South Carolina, and Kentucky. May the Lord God of heaven keep his life and standing, and give him many peaceful seasons upon his sea, and submit the enemies of the church at his footstool. A reading from the Gospel according to St. Luke. The disciple and the pure apostle, may his blessing
teacher David, the prophet, and the king, may his blessings be with us all. Amen. For you, O God, are my helper. As for my God, his mercy shall go before me. You are my helper. To you, my God, I will sing.
فليرفعوا في كنيسة شعبه، وليباركوا على منابر الشيوخ، لأنه جعل أبوته مثل الخراف يبصر المستقيمون. أقسم الرب ولن يندم أنك أنت هو الكائن إلى الأبد، على طقس ملكي صدق. الرب عن يمينك يا بان الطائر، البابا البطريرك الأنبا تودرس الثاني، وشريكك في الخدمة الرسولية أبينا المطران المكرم الأنبا سرابيون، وأبينا الأسقف المكرم الأنبا بيتر، وشركائي في الخدمة الرسولية أبيائنا الأساقفة المجتمعون معنا الآن. الرب يحفظ لنا حياتكم.
مبارك هو الآتي باسم الرب إله القوات، ربنا وإلهنا ومخلصنا وملكنا كلنا، ربنا يسوع المسيح ابن الله الحي الذي له المجد الدائم. Concluded all his sayings in the hearing of the people, he entered Capernaum, and a certain centurion's servant who was dear to him was sick and ready to die. So when he heard about Jesus, he sent elders of the Jews to him, pleading with him to come and heal his servant. And when they came to Jesus, they begged him earnestly, saying that the one for whom he should do this was worthy, for he loves our nation, and he has built us a synagogue. Then Jesus went with them, and when he was already not far from the house, the centurion sent friends to him, saying to him, Lord, do not trouble yourself, for I am not worthy that you should enter under my roof. Therefore, I did not even think myself worthy to come to you. But say the word, and my servant will be healed. For I also am a man placed under authority, having soldiers under me, and I say to one, go, and he goes, and to another, come, and he comes, and to my servant, do this, and he does it. When Jesus heard these things, he marveled at him and turned around and said to the crowd that followed him, I say to you that I have not found such great faith, not even in Israel. And those who were sent returning to the house found the servant well who had been sent.